Perfect. So right now we have the flow to launch the website and download the input. The next thing that we have to be doing is try to enter that particular data into this particular fields. For that too, we have to make a module. We have a launch application. Now let's create a sequence or a XAML for data entry, that is update data, and create it. This particular thing has created something called a new XAML in our project. Let's add an annotation to this. This will do the data entry work. Let's pin it. Okay, I'm saving it. If I just go back to the workflow that we have implemented earlier, okay, in the beginning we had something like we had read the input, and then we have opened the browser, and we had a for each loop where we were entering the data into that particular application. This was something that we have implemented without using RE framework. This stays the same for us here too in this RPA challenge, okay, because it's a module. We'll not have for each and all that right here. So to save the time, what we can do is we can just pick this particular body which will contain the data entry part. Okay, the rest all we have already implemented. Because it's an RE framework, we are trying to modulize it. Okay, so in this particular module we will only have this particular body's functionality. Sorry, I'm just pasting this thing. There are a lot of issues that we might get. Okay, just replace this with some hard code values. Okay, Sharath, and then his last name Raju. Once that is done, his company's name Excel Cult. Once that is done, what is the role in the company? It's dev. Then address Hyderabad. Then email xyz@gmail.com. Sorry, I have to enclose that in double quotations. Mine is phone number. Then submit. Okay, let's check for any errors. There are no errors anymore. Okay, here I could have used attach browser, okay, or else I can directly spy each and every element also. So that is what I have done right here. Okay, that is what we have done earlier too here. So there is no attached browser that I have used, as we have done it in launch application. We have used attached browser, and then inside that we have kept all the activities. So the only difference is when you use an attached browser, the top layer of that, which is HTML title RPA challenge, it will not be available inside every selector here. Fine, there is nothing like that, as you can see. Good, but see in this, okay, because we don't have an browser, okay, these things will have the full selectors, because we have spied each and everything individually, okay, and we haven't used any browser, attached browser activity. So all these things are full selectors, while these are partial selectors. Okay, let me run this once. Okay, run file. Is trying to enter the data. test submitted. Fine. So that is how we were able to create our update data module.